So if some of y'all remember a couple videos ago, I don't remember exactly which one, I mentioned about how bad the Poa Trivialis got over the winter. Now, I've always had a problem with it. I experimented a little bit last year with eliminating it, and I'll refer to a video up here about that. It's actually a series of videos. It worked really well, didn't come back at all. And this year it got really, really bad. But, well, let me show you what I did. Alright, so about a month ago, I started glyphosating the entire yard. And I did that a series of 3 or 4 times. Once that was done, I went ahead and took the Sunjo dethatcher scarifier after scalping everything and tried to pull as much of the grass up as I can. And then I decided, well, I've always had this problem with some grade issues. Soil being way above the concrete, some drainage problems, this and that, and I just figured it's already dead, let's fix it. So, well, I kind of get in over my head, and if you can tell from the noise, it's raining now, and it's going to cause me more problems. This is the risk of doing this in the spring. As you can see behind me, it's kind of a mess. So, yep, I killed it all off, and then I came in with a tractor and a box blade and flatten it all out. Now this over here had a very high spot. As you can see, it's still drying out, but nothing would drain down towards the road. It was actually draining into the house, so we had to fix that. We took a lot of soil off with that, but I went around and just wiped it all out. I was so tired of the Poa Triv, and then there was some creeping bent grass in here. Decided, well, let's just do the whole thing. But I'll tell you, this springtime is not the time to do it. Everything's wet, damp, and this clay gets real spongy when it's like that. It's another spot that needs to dry out so I can finish it. And it's just making a mess. But I'll get it. Once this rain stops, I'll get it all done. I do plan on planting some dahlias here real soon. I've got about a dozen I'm going to put in here. I was hoping to do that this weekend, but when the tractor was available to clean this up, I needed to take advantage of it. So that's where I'm at with that. So the other thing I want to do in this video is the giveaway. If you guys remember from my Super Clean video, link that here and in the description below. Super Clean was nice enough to send that out to me, give my thoughts for them, and they appreciated that so much they decided to give some to you guys. So go back, watch that video, and leave a comment. And sometime this weekend, I'll use a random comment picker and just pull a comment, and we'll give somebody 1 bottle of the original Super Clean and 1 bottle of the aerosol foaming Super Clean. So go back, watch that video, leave a comment. Sometime this coming weekend, I'll pick a winner and do a quick video on that, and we'll get it out to you. The only requirement is you need to be subscribed to the channel and you need to live within the US. Anyway, sorry for the short video. As you can see, the rain's getting worse. So we'll see you in the next one.